Friends, this soy that we often use is not just a crop. Today it is a golden seed and you can start many profitable businesses by producing many value-added products from it. Friends, the demand for soybean products is increasing rapidly worldwide, from the healthcare sector to the food industry, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. Its biggest advantage are its high protein content and versatile applications, making it a preferred choice among health-conscious individuals and those who adopt a healthy lifestyle. That is why soy-based businesses have both low investment and high profitability. In this situation, if you want to start your own business with a low cost and make a difference in the market, today in this video, we brought you the top 10 business ideas based on soy. So watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can be the first to get the latest news of upcoming videos. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Soy milk production. Soy milk is one of the fastest growing categories in the health and fitness industry today, as people consider it a vegetarian and lactose-free alternative to cow's milk. Thus, the share of this soy milk in India is steadily increasing. Therefore, it's a good opportunity for you to start a soy milk manufacturing business. Especially flavored varieties like chocolate or vanilla milk will make your business more attractive. Not only that, starting it small allows you to easily distribute to gyms, health stores, supermarkets and online platforms, resulting in good profits. Number 2. Making soya paneer, tofu. In most places, tofu or soy paneer is now rapidly gaining popularity among healthy vegetarians. Additionally, it has high protein and low fat content, making it a favorite among exercisers and diabetics. However, the tofu market in India is still in its infancy and is expected to witness double-digit growth in the next 5 years. Therefore, one can start its production with a small soy milk pressing unit and a system with molds. Later, one can earn a steady income by supplying it to local grocery stores, health stores, and restaurants. Number 3. Soya flour milling. Friends, this soya flour is widely used in bakeries, packaged foods, baby food, and health supplements due to its high protein content. Moreover, the demand for this gluten-free and high-protein flour is growing rapidly in India and the international market. In this scenario, you can start production at a very low cost with a basic milling machine and packing system. Then you can package your products in small packets and sell them in the local market, while bulk packaging also opens up export opportunities. Number 4. Soy-based snacks. Healthy snacking has become a major trend these days, and soy-based snacks like roasted soybeans, soya chips and protein bars are the most in-demand products in the FMCG sector. The Indian snack market is worth over 35,000 crore rupees, and the healthy snack segment is steadily increasing its share. By focusing on packaging and testing, you can easily target the youth and fitness-conscious individuals in the industry. You can make profits through online and retail channels. Number 5. Soybean oil extraction. Soybean oil is a significant component of the cooking oil used by people living in India, and its consumption is constantly increasing. Yes, it is a healthy oil option and it is in demand everywhere from home kitchens to large restaurants. A major advantage of this business is that the remaining soya cake after oil extraction can be sold as animal feed, resulting in double profits. Although the initial cost of machinery and systems is a bit high, the profits on a large scale are equally attractive. Number 6. Soy sauce production. The demand for soy sauce is increasing rapidly in today's fast food and restaurant culture. Its consumption in the Chinese, continental and packaging food industry is increasing every year. It can be started at home on a small scale with fermentation tank and a packing system. Soy sauce consumption is high not only in India but also in the international market, which could offer significant export opportunities. Number 7. Soy protein powder manufacturing. Soy protein powder is a very popular product in the fitness and supplement industry today. The protein supplement market in India is growing rapidly and expected to reach $428 million by 2030. To start this business, you will need extraction, drying, and packaging units. The biggest advantage of this is that you can easily brand it as a premium product and sell it to gyms, health clubs, and e-commerce platforms. You can also achieve high profit margins by starting small. Number 8. Soy lecithin manufacturing. Soy lecithin is a high-value product used in bakery, chocolate, pharmaceutical, and cosmetics industries. Lecithin is considered a natural emulsifier and is high in demand not only in India but also globally. The business operates on a B2B model, which means you can directly supply to large companies. Even though you start small, the profit margin is very high as industrial buyers buy in large quantities. Number 9. Soy candle and soap manufacturing. Soy wax candles and soaps are gaining popularity in the premium and eco-friendly product segment. This business is particularly popular in the gift and wellness industries. The demand for handmade and natural products is constantly growing, and India is also exporting these products. Therefore, you can start small from home and sell them at local artisan markets, online platforms, and boutique stores as well. With branding and packaging, you can make them high-end products, and they can be presented like that. Number 10. Soy animal feed production. Soybean meal and soya cake are mostly used in the cattle and poultry feed industry. In an agricultural country like India, the demand for animal feed is always there. This business allows for continuous supply and large-scale operation. The initial setup requires processing and packing machines, and then you can sell it to dairy farmers, poultry farms, and agri-supply chains. This business is scalable and long-term. It gives profitability. Friends, these are the top 10 soy-based small business ideas whose demand is in health, food, and industrial sector. Every business has its own investment and scope. You just need to choose the right option according to your budget and target market. The biggest advantage of soy products is that they are long-term, sustainable, and also have export potential. So if you want a sustainable, profitable business in the future, then soy-based ideas can be the right choice for you. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.